Hey guys, it's your girl Cherish and I'm here to cherish your life. So I just got off of work. I am back in my place and y'all, guess what happened to me at work today? I got a special shot spilled all over me on the side. So I look a mess. I am probably gonna hop in the shower as soon as I get in my place. Today's video is just gonna be like a day in the life with me. I'm going to be doing some work for school, cooking dinner later, so stay tuned for that. Look at my hair. I haven't even had breakfast yet or lunch, and I think it's lunchtime now. It's probably around like 1 something. Your girl is hungry, but y'all know what I got. Comment down below what you think this is. It's the same drink I always get, and if you a real one and you see my past videos, you know what drink I always get, and that's period. I also went to pick up my textbooks today. Like, I was there for a whole hour and they didn't even have a social distancing like that. They had X's, but nobody was watching the X's. The girl was all up on me and I'm like, girl, I don't know if you got corona or not. Back up. Okay, so I can now check families in the economy off my list, and I just gotta do product development. Is it just me, or in order to do your homework, do you have to have a snack? Cause I have to have so many goldfish before I can get my work done. Drop one. Look at that lighting.
nasty.
Bussin'. Okay guys, so it's later in the day. I'm about to watch something on TV, probably YouTube. Make sure you guys like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. And follow me on Instagram at StyleMeCherish_ and at CherishPerkins_. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.